I would say the biggest challenge facing money service businesses today are the state rules and regulations, and trying to understand how you can participate in a mass market environment with all the various rules and regulations of the states.
From the regulatory's perspective, they are doing everything they can to stop all the crime that's occurring, the bad money, that dirty money that's going through the system. So I would have to say from their perspective, that's the toughest one. From the bank's perspective, it is certainly protecting our risk and our exposure and the ability for us to do our due diligence on our client base to assure that we are booking business with good customers that are doing good business with clean money. They'll want to know that it was clean money. And so it's an ongoing process for us to continue to monitor those clients and assure that they are doing business the way they are supposed to.
And what we see is a disconnect between the payments industry and payments innovation and the ability of legitimate payments innovators in some cases, such as in the Bitcoin space and cryptocurrency, but also in a lot of different areas that involve banking and payment services that are essentially becoming disenfranchised.
They're having trouble finding banking relationships. Being from a bank, I can appreciate their concerns. However, there's not a lot we can do from the bank's perspective until such time as probably some things have changed on the perception of who those businesses are. Our hopes are that through the efforts of both conferences, publicity, certainly having conversations with many folks, we are changing that perception so that legal businesses will not run into the problems that they've had in the past to get banking relationships.
The fact that the regulatory regimes that exist today often leave very broad gray areas. And so it's difficult sometimes for businesses in particular, and even financial institutions, to operate within an environment where the rules of the game, so to speak, are not clearly defined.
I think the way the industry can reverse the negative impact is really through education. Education and understanding not just what the rules are, but how your best practices can apply to those rules. It's a matter of having parties understand your business and understanding the deep bowels of your business and how they work.